Wow, okay, it's been a while. I know my loyal 24 subscribers were waiting feverishly for me to make my triumphant return, and I'm not one to disappoint. I mean, look at all these updated visuals. So much better. But that's besides the point. After almost 2 years, I'm back with another plushie making video. This one's really simple, so much so that I debated not making it a tutorial. Alas, this video is a tutorial on how to hand stitch your own Luvdisc plush. You'll need an assortment of soft felt fabric sheets, hot pink, light pink, black, and white. I used 30 by 30 centimeter sheets from a set I ordered off Amazon, link will be in the description, but I didn't even get close to using all of it. You'll also need corresponding colors of thread, and the pattern I left in the description of the video. Without further ado, let's get into it. Start by pinning the pattern down to the felt and either trace or cut around the pattern. Make 2 of the heart shapes with the hot pink fabric, 2 of the triangles and 2 of the circles in light pink fabric, 2 circles in black, and 2 smaller circles in white. Once you have everything cut out, be sure that the edges of each matching fabric piece are aligned so stitching goes smoothly. Get your white thread and use a running stitch to sew the white pupils onto the black, placing it slightly off center. Tie off and then do the other eye. Set these aside for now. Next, take your light pink thread and the pink triangle pieces, placing them on the tip of each heart shape. Whip stitch around the edges, switching to a running stitch when sewing across the hot pink face. Before I stitched it all the way closed, I very slightly stuffed the little beak part. This is totally optional as it doesn't make much of a difference in the finished product. Repeat this on the other heart shape. Using the same light pink thread, place your pink circle as shown, and use a running stitch around the fabric, tying it off on the back of the fabric. If you have access to a fabric adhesive, you could use that as well. I currently don't have any, so I used thread. Repeat this for the other half. Get out your black thread and use a running stitch around the black part of the eyes you made, sewing it down to the fabric, avoiding sewing black on the white pupil. Like I stated before, you can utilize adhesive if you have it. Do the same for the other side. Once all of your pieces are stitched onto their respective sides, flip the pieces inside out so that the right sides are facing inwards. Line up your pieces and use a running stitch with hot pink thread, starting at the beak and working up the curves. Leave a good space open, I saved about an inch, so that you can flip the fabric back to its proper side. Stuff the plushie conservatively. I personally feel like I added too much stuffing considering it's supposed to be a semi-flat Pokémon, and stitch it shut. What'd you think it was?
Of food. I'm like, what?
For a plushie?
I don't know. I wasn't thinking. Thanksgiving's in like a couple days.
Yeah, but I'm also James. By now, you should have a finished Luvdisc plushie. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video, and thank you for tuning in after so long as well. I'm hoping to get back into this plushie making thing rather soon, as I'll start to get my life back at the start of the new year. Expect some more content from me soon. Or don't, who knows. Anyways, thanks for watching.